Hi guys, we're working on one of these dehumidifier, Blyss. We bought this one from B&Q years back. So to clean this one, you can just remove it and wash it. But because it was getting so much dust inside the radiator, so it didn't work properly. Remove all these bolts around it, and this one too is holding it down. That's if you want to put a hose on it and it works straight away, it doesn't go to the container. So that's a hose. Remove all the screws. We thought there is a screw behind this one, but it wasn't any screw there. Here we go. Look at that. Should be look like that. So what it does is suck the air in. It works exactly like refrigerator. There's a little motor there. So run the gas around these pipes. Make it cool. The hot air hits against this rad, start dripping inside that one. So that's from there inside this. That's a container goes there. That's it. So we're gonna get our hoover and make sure they shouldn't get bent. They're so delicate, they can bend so easy. So we're gonna stick this one on top of the hoover. Here you go. Well, I cannot push it because they're gonna bend. Even these brushes, they're gonna bend this radiator. So it takes time, maybe 10-15 minutes. I'm gonna carry on to clean it. So I wanted to just let you guys know, if your dehumidifier doesn't work properly, that's one of the reasons. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Here we go. As you see, we clean the rad. It's telling us the container is not engaged. We'll put the container back. That's a water collector. That's it. And that's a fan I told you inside. You see the fan? So now I put the torch here. When I operate it, you will see the fan is start running and sucking the air from that side. Here we go. That's it. As you see, you got different percentage humidity, 60, 50, 40. Constantly on. Got a different noise here. I don't know what is it. Did you have this noise before? I'm gonna find the noise and put a little pads against it. So now you see with the paper, see, it's sucking through properly. So now they're getting the air sucked inside, and whatever moisture through it is going to drip in the container. So this noise must be something somewhere. You must find it and stop it, otherwise it gives you a headache. Maybe the fan. It cannot be fan is right. Oh. Definitely see somewhere on the back. So that's another problem. We're gonna find out what's the noise. That's it. Now start working properly, and we're gonna put everything back after we fix the noise. Thanks for watching.